Got a nice, beautiful day today, so we decided to work on our Caprice wagon that we bought.
The WALLEY World Wagon.
Yeah, we're gonna call it the WALLEY World Wagon. But we have the battery that's 13 years old in it, and it barely started it.
It's trash.
So yeah, we're just gonna take it out.
I have another battery that's
Should be a little better.
a little better.
Pretty much anything better than
Not
this
total
one.
trash, but
Yeah.
it's also not 13 years old.
This one's, yeah. That's the one that came in the 12 valve. This here. So today's objective is always number one, not die. But number two, we're gonna try to change this oil. We noticed that the transmission shifts into gear really slow, like reverse.
Into drive.
It drops right into drive. But
No. Reverse it drops in perfect. Drive takes a little while, but
like you're probably like, oh, it can't be that bad. No, it's like 20 seconds maybe.
no. It's like 5 seconds. But either way, we're gonna change the oil and try to drive this thing today.
Yeah, the
Throw some air in the tires. They're probably gonna explode on us, but it's whatever.
We did do a little burning last night, and it's got a one-wheel fire tire, whatever you want to call it. But it does have enough power, so it's good in my book. Let's see if she starts.
All right, so
Once again,
when you have one bad battery, the only right thing to do is grab another bad battery and connect them together.
you might have to get the third bad battery.
Maybe.
I don't know. It was pretty bad earlier.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, I think we might actually have to go buy a battery.
So instead of buying a good battery, we just decided that it was more efficient to have a bunch of bad batteries and a whole lot of jumper cables. So what you gotta do here is you gotta just keep piling these on here, like so. How many batteries does it take to start a piece of crap?
Give it a whirl.
Here she comes. There's a severe amount of grease underneath here. It's ridiculous.
We put engine flush in this before draining it.
Ooh man, that oil filter is on there.
Alrighty.
We're gonna fill her up with fresh oil.
Holy hell.
My only gas can do.
Alright, so I don't know if any of you guys remember, but the gas that we put in this was sitting in the Camaro. And apparently it's going in the wagon.
I'm just not a fan of putting it in the parts washer. Parts washer, I mean, we have a good washer, but it rhymes with dirt. So, we're just gonna dispose of it into this here contraption and it'll burn it, so I think. It's probably like 2 years old.
I mean, it'll be alright. We're probably going to drop this tank later on to put a new fuel pump in anyways.
Yeah.
I don't want to get stuck on the side of the road like 500 miles from here. So most definitely we'll put a fuel pump in it.
Fuel pump, fuel filter, and all the other fluids, change them out. Well, we are going to test this car before we take it anywhere.
It's getting tested today. Not like full on, you know, like, oh, we're going to drive it like 500 miles. Nah, it's just, we're going to find out what its weak points are.
Yeah, she probably has a few. Alright, let's boogie.
Alright, let's see if it starts. I'll take that as a no.
Alright, so we just survived getting that battery in our local Walmart. Like, everybody in there had face masks and whatnot. I was thinking to myself while I was in there, probably, me and D-Walt here are probably immune to this virus, because if you remember how dirty and disgusting that Ford Focus, the black one, like, we lived after that, so I think we're gonna be okay. Like, everybody has their mask on. If it's airborne, just so you know, it ain't gonna save you. Toodles.
Alright, let's plop this guy in. Yep, something like that. Alright. Alright, kind of on there. Ooh. There's pliers here somewhere. Oh, maybe these are. Don't worry, these terminals are already messed up, so I'll probably buy new ones later on. Okay. All right. We just added some 93 on top of some like
Here, wait, hold on, let me take the tank.
couple year old 87, so we probably have like 79 octane.
You gotta mix her up.
Yep. Holy crap.
I think she's well blown out.
Alright, I'm gonna see if it has juice. Alright, stop it. I have power. Ho ho.
Oh, look, gas gauge works.
What do you know about that? We really have over half a tank?
Well, we put like 5 gallons in and then 5 more gallons in.
Do you have any more like Berrymans or anything to throw in there?
I already put a whole thing of seafoam in it when it was like almost out of gas.
Alright. Well, what are we doing next?
We're gonna road test it. I have to put the plate on.
And put air in the tires. Alrighty, we'll be back. Alright guys, first test.
Oh God.
Brakes are a little sketchy,
Yeah,
wouldn't you say?
We're not really gonna juice it too much because I don't really want to hit anything and die in a station wagon. But it's running. It runs a little rough at times. I think it's the fuel. Probably has nothing to do with the 2-year-old gas we put in it. But yeah, I'm gonna juice it right here.
Dude, it actually had a little bit of oomph.
Good Lord. Dude, this thing cruises.
Not bad.
We're doing 60 on dry rotted tires, I just forgot. Slow her down. There, it started running a little rough there. Did you feel it?
Yeah, a little bit. We gotta get up this hill.
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about stopping.
Yeah.
There's a hole in the brake line.
There's gears for that.
Gears.
Them low gears. But yeah, we did just discover it is kind of seeping a little bit of brake fluid from the rear. It's cruising along.
Temperature's pretty decent. Have some brakes until this fluid runs out.
Yeah, but on top of that, these rotors are rusty and everything. We didn't even get to really wear it off yet.
Well, the only thing that's working is the front brake. What?
That was just the hubcaps and whatnot.
Oh, dude, I dig it. I really do dig it. I could drive this all the way to Wisconsin. Wait a minute. I think that's what we're gonna do.
Hopefully. Because, guys, we're not even sure if Power Tour is going to happen because of this coronavirus.
Yeah.
You know, so we're hoping it does, but you never know. It might get canceled. But if it does happen, we're taking this.
I'm only giving it gas like every now and then like that because you can feel it spit and sputter. I'm actually kind of impressed for only being like 180 horsepower, dude.
When it dropped a gear there, it felt pretty good.
And it felt firm, like it didn't feel like a weak tranny.
We did notice the transmission fluid seems like it's a little over full.
Yeah.
We're going to service all that. We're probably going to put a shift kit in this too.
Give her the onions.
Oh!
Easy. No brakes. Well, it didn't squeal. It's a little disappointing.
Well, I mean, it has been sitting for however long and definitely needs some tune-ups. But we're probably going to put a chip in this thing because we found out you can put a chip in the computer. Probably won't do much, but I mean, hey,
It will do something.
it'll do something, and it's not that expensive either. It's like $100. So we're gonna try that. Temperature
190.
it's looking all right. All right.
Radio's busted.
So I think this guy wants to race.
You think he wants to race? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't have no brakes. So.
Yeah, that's true. We might have to just let him. We just might have to take the L on this one.
What? Winner! Oh. She's roadworthy. I don't know about these tires though. I'm a little scared to go over like 50.
Yeah, me too.
We're only going to record all this just in case we do blow out a tire because I'm going to make it extremely dramatic. Probably hit a telephone pole. Another thing is the seat belts don't work. So.
Yeah, I tried to put this seatbelt on and it won't clip in. So
yeah, we're definitely gonna die. Like this dashboard is made out of cedar, and that's a really hard wood. It does have a nice little tone to it.
yeah.
Oh my God! Don't die on an intersection. Please.
Oh, come on.
Dear Lord, baby Jesus, just get us up this hill. There we go.
It always starts right back up though too.
But it does run a little rough.
Yeah. It's like an idle.
Sometimes though. Like other times it was idling fine, and then sometimes it's like surging for gas, and I don't know. There's overdrive. Did you feel it?
Yeah. Felt it lock up. Well, I'm gonna put the camera down now, and I'll turn it back on if something happens. There's only one thing left to do. I can't see.
Turn the fan on, Ricky. Dude, how much smoke was that?
I was engulfed. It was so bad.
God. I need some air, bro.
All right, so after getting done with the freedom lap of, oh my God.
There's so much smoke in it.
I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but the smoke is like pouring out.
Dude, these tires smoke. All right, remember, like, share, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button, or else we won't be able to do this anymore.